Hi, my name's Dan. I'm here to talk to you about the Dyson V7 Plus Pet Edition Vacuum. I'm a big fan. Just got it on Amazon. Daily deals, $100 off. Can't beat it. Let's check it out. See how easily that removes itself from the docking bay? Okay, so first thing, beautiful. I feel like I am wielding a weapon. I feel like I could knock someone out. Makes me feel good about vacuuming. Makes me feel powerful. Makes me feel like I'm about to change the game here in any room I'm in that needs vacuuming. And then also, what I really like is that button detach. Any red button, detach. Easy. Wait, wait, wait. So simple, so easy. Like, this thing is fucking awesome. So after you get past that, such a swivel. This is a refurb too. Shout out to Dyson doing some refurb work, you know? Oh, getting excited now, aren't ya? Because wow, what now? What's happening? This thing that's so easily whoa. Oh, look. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, wait a minute. What just happened? What just happened? Let's get back at it. Okay, hold on. And I'm back to vacuuming. Okay. A little something I lost there, you know. But anyway, it's about that.